Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful smoky pink fuchsia look for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So I'm first going to start off with priming my face. I'm taking the Origins Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer just to really set my whole face and keep my makeup in place throughout the whole entire day. And then to set my eyes, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. This just has a lot of pigment and it keeps my eyeshadow in place throughout the whole entire day. So that's why I like using it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Patrick's powder from the collab with MAC that Patrick did to set that in. Going into the Morphe 39A palette, I'm going to take the Bare and Canvas color as my transition shade for today's look. I'm just going to mix the two shades together and really just diffuse the product all over my lid. And I'm going to be building it up as I go. Then taking the Kiss New York single shadow in Dahlias, I'm going to put that all over the lid, basically on top of where I put the transition shade. And this is just a really pretty fuchsia light pink color. Then going back with the 39A palette, I'm taking the shade Create, which is a deep berry shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lid, just patting that onto the lid and just smoking everything out by blending the transition color and Dahlia and all the colors all together. You can see that I'm going to keep going back and forth with Dahlia and back and forth with the transition color just to really diffuse the color onto the lid and get rid of any harsh lines. And then taking this deep maroon shade, I'm taking that on the outer corner of my eyes just to really give the look more depth and more darkness to it. I felt like it was a little too light, so yeah. And then to add sparkles, I'm putting this beautiful rose gold shade all over the lid, and it's just beautiful. I felt like this needed a little something, and this definitely completed the look. And then I'm going to take the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palettes, and I'm going to take the highlighter and put that on my brow bone, since that is going to be the highlight I'll be using on my cheeks today. And then I'm also going to go ahead and put that in my inner corners as well. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put some mascara. I'm using the Tarte Tarteist mascara. I'm not going to use any falsies for today's look because I really want the main focus to be on the eyeshadow. And then I forgot to put my foundation on camera because my freaking camera wasn't recording. But I went ahead and took my Too Faced foundation, and I also took the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to bake, and I'm using the Patrick's powder to bake under my eyes. And I've been doing this a lot lately, where I've been taking the Grande's lip plumper. This is just in hot fuchsia or hot pink, I forget. And I'm just going to put that on my lips to plump up while I bake. And then taking the Dahlia shade from Kiss, I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line to match the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I also went ahead and tight lined and deepened out the lower lash line, but my camera died again. But I'm just here setting my whole entire face, and then we're going to move on to bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light Bronze, and I'm slightly contouring with it, but as you can see, I'm just diffusing the product all over my face, so just to deepen out the look. Then going back to the Pure palette, I'm taking the blush, which is in Blushing Glow, and I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. This is a beautiful peachy, glowy blush. I love it, but it can get a little heavy, so I do go back with my brush that I use to wipe off my powder, and I'm just gonna blend that on my skin just to get rid of any harsh lines. And of course, taking the highlighter in Afterglow, I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones, on my nose, my forehead, my chin, everywhere. And for the lips, I'm going to line my lips using the Essence lip liner in Agave. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a beautiful mauvey pink color. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the ColourPop Lumiere 2 liquid lipstick and complete the look with that. And then to set the whole entire face, I'm taking the Lumine Glow Hydrating Mist, and just spraying that all over my face. And that is basically the whole entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to do. And I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.